Are you sick and tired of self-affirmations? Do you get an automatic negative thought whenever you read a self-affirmation or even say a self-affirmation? Today, I share 3 tips on how to sneak in self-affirmations to your day-to-day life. I've been working on accepting self-affirmations as worth my brain space for some time now. Just check out this photo from 2014 I found. It's been over 6 years, and I still sometimes feel a little gross when I talk about self-affirmations. This is what it sounds like in my head sometimes. I am amazing. Ew. I deserve success. Yeah. Do I really? No, I have to say, it's not always terrible when I say a self-affirmation. At this point, more than half the time, I actually feel really good and really hopeful when I say one. But sometimes I absolutely still get that immediate gag reflex. Tip number 1. Post self-affirmations that you can stand in your house, but make sure they're ones you can stand. Tip number 2. Make your password a self-affirmation, or even go bigger and use multiple self-affirmations in that password. For example, your password might have you say in your head, I am enough. I deserve joy, and I am worthy. That password could look like this. Tip number 3. Talk back to the talkback. You don't have to stand aside and remain passive to the meanie that lives inside you. That mean voice is just trying to stay alive, and I can't blame them. Survival of the fittest and all, right? I mean, this is homeostasis. Homeostasis is keeping you down. So while you're working hard to incorporate self-affirmations into your life, another part of you is working hard to stay exactly where you are. You gotta fight the good fight. Fight the good fight. Fighting yourself takes fuel, so go easy on yourself and rest when you can. I guarantee you that this is not the exact moment that you started trying to get self-affirmations into your life. You absolutely already have some fights under your belt. So take care, everyone, and leave me a comment if you liked this video or if you have a topic you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching my video. Please hit like if you liked it and subscribe if you want more content like this. Plus, I hear you need to click the magical bell if you want a notification to come up whenever I post new content. Until next time, live intentionally, love fiercely, and lead courageously. Fight the good fight!